Record it?
Yeah?
Why?
Fraud here, fraud. If you see fraud here,
It looking worse in real life for you. Trust me.
Get the vehicle on.
what she got?
I had about 8 trucks on the side of the road. Lower down. We passed.
I'm really sorry, Papa. I can't even make a little too.
Oh, my way.
You mean cold? We cold.
Hey, you see on my glass thing here, I can't even see.
Daddy, just put on this one.
No. It will make a difference.
Every single car in this lineup of Hyundai Hazard right now. Every car.
You see, this is the catchers. If we go somewhere, and we have to watch my glass. I can't see. I really have to buy this thingy. It really catch bam.
Everything that's happened for a reason.
If only your wiper was bigger and better. You see, Mama?
If I had AC now, my glass clean.
It's fucking up. It's fucking up.
They're not working too. They're not working.
Let's sit down now, sit down. Let's have a little more fun too. See, did he catch us? Like I finishing this creek, boy. See? You see what's going on when you're high AC?
Who knew air conditioning so important? Who knew?
Like we ain't getting nothing now, right?
Yep, nope. Nothing. Nothing at all.
Hey,
Trinidad and Tobago, San Fernando Creek.
Only highway. That's fraud. That's rain.
Jesus. Wow.
But don't drive hard.
See why others they thing into go thing? Not all you. This fucking thing just give me a little thing. I know what going on now.
Maybe it does have a sensor in the car when the rain falling.
I've been relaxed.
After that, the TA, please.
We have me finish it. Oh God. Oh my.
Right, really soft now.
Well, I mean, this was meant to be a good day. We went Pennywise, then we went Gold City Mall. A got a Jennifer soup.
And I have to press
What she want? Hold on. Hey, my brother. This is my brother's car. And this is my car. All black. The doors got open. Yep.
Haven't opened the door. Mama, when it is like this, I don't know what to do and what. Only so.
But this road and I don't wanna. All this on tape. Okay, the rain is up. We getting back AC.
Here we go.
Think if we just wipe away this, we should be good.
AC kicking.
Yeah, AC perfect. Okay, well that was our journey. Goodbye. Right now we're in Faizabad.